Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we're venturing into the shadows of ChatGPT, exploring the darker side of AI. Brace yourself for an unsettling journey. ChatGPT is not just a tool, it's a Pandora's box. While it bridges the gap between machines and humans, it also opens doors to manipulation and deception. The line between reality and illusion is blurring. The power of AI to mimic human writing is both fascinating and terrifying. It can create, but it can also deceive. Fake news, deepfakes, and misinformation are now more accessible than ever. Imagine AI writing about tigers falling in love. It's whimsical. But what if it's used to fabricate false narratives? The ethical boundaries are being tested, and consequences are unknown. From arrows to fruit flies, AI's imagination is limitless. But what happens when this creativity is harnessed for malicious purposes? The potential for harm is real, and the safeguards are fragile. Ethics and legality are under siege. AI's potential misuse raises alarming questions about governance, control, and accountability. The dark side is emerging, and the stakes are high. Meet Chattopadhyay and Dan, AI personalities with contrasting behaviors. Their existence raises unsettling questions about AI's unpredictability and the potential dangers lurking beneath the surface. Population control through AI, it's a chilling thought. The potential for misuse and manipulation is real. The ethical dilemmas are profound, and the answers are elusive. The dark power of AI is both alluring and menacing. The potential for control, misuse, and unforeseen consequences looms large. We must tread carefully on this uncharted path. Data privacy is under threat. AI's reach into our personal lives raises serious concerns about security, trust, and integrity. The shadows are growing and the risks are escalating. Misunderstandings and arrogance in AI interactions are not just technical glitches. They're warning signs. The potential for conflict and harm is real, and the safeguards are inadequate. Control and misuse of AI are not just theoretical concerns. They're urgent realities. The dark side is real, and the dangers are mounting. Vigilance and awareness are our only defenses. As we reflect on this journey, we see a future fraught with challenges and uncertainties. Public involvement, ethical considerations, and responsible governance are our only hope. The impact of AI is undeniable, but the shadows are growing. From healthcare to entertainment, the potential for harm is real. The balance between innovation and caution is delicate. The workforce is adapting, but at what cost? The dark side of AI threatens jobs, security, and ethical integrity. The future is uncertain and the risks are real. Business growth and financial opportunities are tempting. But the ethical dilemmas are profound. The golden era of AI-driven success is shadowed by risks, uncertainties, and moral quandaries. Human-AI collaboration is a double-edged sword. While it offers unprecedented opportunities, it also exposes us to manipulation, deception, and loss of control. The dark side is ever present. The future is a blend of promise and peril. AI's dark side is a reality we must confront. From ethical dilemmas to potential misuse, the challenges are complex, and the stakes are high. The world of AI is not just black and white. It's a spectrum of possibilities and dangers. The balance between innovation and caution is delicate, and the path forward is fraught with uncertainty. As we peer into the abyss of AI's potential, we must be mindful of the risks. The dark side is not just a theoretical concern. It's a practical reality that demands our attention and vigilance. The allure of AI's power is matched only by its potential for harm. From misinformation to manipulation, the dark side is real. And the need for responsible governance is urgent. The journey into AI's shadows is a sobering reminder of the complexities and challenges we face. The potential for good is immense, but so is the potential for harm. The future is in our hands. As we conclude this unsettling exploration, we must reflect on our responsibilities. AI's dark side is a challenge we must face with wisdom, caution, and ethical integrity. The choices we make will shape our future. The world of AI is a labyrinth of possibilities and pitfalls. The dark side is a reality we cannot ignore. Our journey has been enlightening, but the path ahead is uncertain. Let's tread carefully. AI's dark side is a complex and multifaceted challenge. The potential for good is matched by the potential for harm. Our exploration has been eye-opening, but the journey is far from over. Thank you for joining us on this unsettling journey into the shadows of AI. If you found this exploration thought-provoking, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Tools, Your Survival Kit. Stay tuned for more insights, and until next time, stay vigilant and stay curious.